In this video, I'll show you how to remove Eufy Doorbell camera from its mount. So the process should be easy. All you need to do is just find the release hole. Sometimes you may find it at the bottom of the device. Sometimes it will be maybe behind, but this is very rare. It comes in only one version. It's not used from behind. So you may find it at the bottom or at the top. And all you need to do is just go and get that small little thing at the top shown here, which is a removal pin. Because normally once you buy this doorbell device, it comes with a removal pin, which is this one. So you'll need to find the hole, whether it's at the top or at the bottom, and basically eject that removal pin there. If you somehow lost the removal pin, you can use a paper clip or SIM eject tool, but SIM eject tool is a little bit small, it may not work correctly. So make sure to find the hole, as I said, and eject the pin right there. You'll have to push gently into the hole until you feel resistance. Once you feel resistance, you basically reach the point where you'll have to press hard a little bit. So basically, once you find the hole, use the pin to push the dismount hole a little bit, use some force, and then you'll have to slide the door body up. If you have the hole at the bottom, if you have it at the top, you may have to slide it down. So you'll have to keep that in mind. So this is how it's going to look like in real life. You'll have to push the pin in the hole and slide it up. Once you slide this up and get it out as example and dismount it, you can go and charge it wherever you want and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.